Hear me and say no, brother. Hear me and say no, dog. Don't tell the man, you know, brother. I'm alone now. So if the man hear back, man, I know me tell you. Yeah, brother. Alright, what me say? Nah, say yeah. So after what they say we are run boat in a dog. You see me I say? So we are cook some rice and peas and fried chicken, you know. I mean, chicken macarons. You see man take up this big jug of water like I whole a hell shy I'm having a through and I say where the rasta man here do, you see me? So I say, you know man things say dog, a man must can cook, you see? Dog. You see my dead brother, and I mind say just looking at the pot, so I'm looking at the pot, brother. I still think I Steve no man a steal the rice, I never know rice the man a cook.
For real? For real?
Brother, I suppose it's the same thing.
I'm gonna go like my top chef. No, me can cook better than them over there.
Yani no to deal so with. Mealy. Really.
Rice porridge. Tell the man tell me everything. Yeah?
The man say amount of water you throw in a rice. But I say for Africa. The man say. I saw the rice a swim in the water, dog. And the girl them at Olympics.
Him the dog. You afraid of